Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've showed you what I've been doing on my trains. I moved my layout up here in the attic, 3rd floor. So this past summer it's been too hot to work up here, so now it's cooling off. You can see it's October 8th. And let me show you the progress that I've made so far. I don't know if you remember, but I did that last year. Most of the town stuff. And there's a little shipping yard. And there's my roundhouse over there. And what I'm doing right now is I'm in the process of laying out this yard. This is going to be a little freight yard in here on the edge of the board. Let me walk around. See, I'm laying it all out. This is the hard part, trying to figure out what tracks go to where. It's a lot harder than it looks. See, I'm coming around here. Around through here. And up through here. And then here's the Bellwood train station that I built last year. That's the old Bellwood, PA train station that was in existence in Bellwood back in the early 1900s, late 1800s. You can see all the detail I have and stuff here. I built that. I built a lot of these buildings by hand from scratch. And they all have lights in, of course. And it's just a long process. I mean, you just don't do it overnight and get it done. It takes a long time. And better look at the roundhouse over here. See, there's all the little stalls. The engine's going to get worked on. And there's the turntable itself. See, I have all the controls mounted on the side over here. That's for all the individual tracks on the roundhouse and the turntable. And then over here, these are the controls for the main tracks. I'll tell you, it's a lot of work. And the back side of the shipping yard here. You see, I'm coming off here, and I'm going to come around over here, and I'm going to put another board on the side here. And it's going to go around behind the little mountain range there, and then it's going to come out again right there in that yard. It's going to be like a main line coming around. But this is what I do to occupy myself. Keeps me from going crazy. Sometimes, anyway. So anyway, I'll send a video the next time I get some more done here. In the meantime, say hello. Hey, it's me. I love y'all. Okay, bye.